Hi students, good morning. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. We are learning our second chapter algebra, last section binomial theorem. Only two exercise problems are left in this unit. So very important problem, that two problems also. Repeated question. So each and every time from among these two questions they may ask one question for 5 marks. So very important question we are going to learn today. So make use of it. So some homeworks I gave for you. I hope you all completed, students. Those who not completed, please complete it everything. All the problems similar to examples. So I hope you all completed. Those who not completed, please complete it. So two exercise problems, that is last exercise, two problems are left there. So we will complete today. Understand? Okay. All of you listen here. So problem number 6 and 7 in your last exercise 2.6. Okay. Exercise 2.6. Problem number 6. Listen very carefully. When you are seeing this problem, you will feel somewhat difficult. Minimum 2 to 3 times you write and see, then only it will be easy for you. Prove that the term independent of x in the expansion, okay, expansion of x plus 1 by x the whole power 2n is 1 into 3 into 5 etc. 2n minus 1 2 power n divided by n factorial. What do you need to prove? Prove that the term independent of x. So x for power you need to equate to 0. That is term independent. Is it right? So prove that the term independent of x in the expansion of x plus 1 by x the whole power 2n is 1.1 not 0.1 into 3 into 5 etc. 2n minus 1 into 2 power n by 2 n factorial. Okay, so I am going to explain each and every step very slowly, so please listen carefully. Okay, the reason is very important question, the 6th problem and 7th problem. When you are seeing this, at once you will omit this. So before itself I said, so don't omit this, very important. Okay, listen. Solution. Okay, what is given there? First I am writing the given. Okay, given is x plus 1 by x the whole power 2n. What is given? X plus 1 by x the whole power 2n. Now you can compare with x plus a the whole power n. Okay, compare with x plus a the whole power n. Compare with this. So what will happen here? What's the n value? N in the place what's there? 2n is there. In the place of x, x is there. In the place of a, what by x is there. Okay. Now we are going to write the general term. What's the general term? The general term is, what's the formula? TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. Okay, NCR x power n minus r a power r. Now substitute the value. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR means 2n CR x value is x power n minus r. So 2n minus r, a value is 1 by x the whole power r. Okay, that's equal to 2n CR x power 2n minus r. Bring this power 2 up, so you will change as x power minus r. Correct? So what's the value? TR plus 1 is equal to 2n CR x power 2n minus r. This also you can bring here minus r. So what's the final answer? T 2n 3 CR 2n CR x power 2n minus 2r. This is a value for TR plus 1. Understand? So up to here, all of you understand? It will be easy. Yes. So general term is, so I wrote the formula TR plus 1 is equal to, substituted the value, x power is in R in the denominator. So bring to numerator, it will change as minus. Then add with this. So 2n minus 2r. Got it? Okay. Next we are going to apply the condition since the term is independent. Okay. Since the term is independent of x. So what will you do? Independent of x means coefficient you will equate to 0. So the power is it, right? So 2n minus 2r, the value will be 0. Okay. So from that you find the r value. So 2n is equal to 2r. From that 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So n is equal to r. Understand? So since the term is independent of x, so we will equate the power as 0. So 2n minus 2r is equal to 0. So you got the value as n is equal to r. Okay. Then next what will we do? We will substitute that particular in t n plus 1. Okay. That one you substitute as r value as n. Okay. So tn plus 1 is equal to, otherwise to avoid your confusion, take it as in 1. Okay. Now in the place of r you substitute as 1. Okay. So 1 implies tn plus 1 is equal to 2n cn x power 2n minus 2n. Okay. So what will happen? 2n minus 2n. That's all. So the balance will be only 2n cn. What's the reason? X power 0. The value is 1. So 2n cn alone you will get. So 2n cn. n cn, you know the formula. What's the formula for n cn? What's the formula for n cn? So n cn you can write like this. That is 2n factorial divided by n factorial into n factorial. Okay. So this can be written as, what is n factorial? N factorial, how will you write? Already you have learned this, right? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into etc. Finally it will end as 1. So here it is 2n factorial. So it will start from 2n, is it right? So 2n, next one is 2n minus 1, next one is 2n minus 2, etc. etc. Last 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. It will be n. Denominator n factorial. Understand? So n cn can be written as n factorial divided by n factorial into n factorial. So what will you do? 2n factorial. So n factorial, how will you write? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 etc. up to 2 into 1. So here 2n means 2n into 2n minus 1 into etc. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, we need to separate odd and even terms. Okay. Separate the even and odd terms in the numerator. What we are going to do? We are going to separate the even and odd terms. So 2 into the multiple is there means there will be an odd number, and even number you will get, is it right? So 2n means that will be an even number. 2n minus 1 means that will be an odd number. 2n minus 2 means that will be an even number. Next number it will be an odd number. So we need to separate. So even numbers first we can separate. That is 2n will be an even number. Then 2n minus 2 will be an even number. Then 2n minus 4 will be an even number, etc. 4, 2 will be an even number. Same as that odd number separated. 2n minus 1 will be an odd number. 2n minus 3 will be an even number, etc. 3 and 1 will be an even number. Divided by n factorial into n factorial. Understand what I did? Just I separated the even and odd terms. Okay. So from the first one you can take 2 power n as common. Why? Here 2n is there, is it right? The meaning is 2 into 1 means 2 power 1. So 2 power n you can take as common. Then it will be changed as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 etc. up to 2 into 1. The meaning is 2 power n I have took as common outside. So from this alone you took the common, remaining same. 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3 etc. 3 into 1. Okay. Divided by n factorial into n factorial. Okay. Now what we are going to do is okay. Now you can write this as 2 power n into this value fully you can write as n factorial. Correct? Yes or no? N into n minus 1 into etc. up to 2 into 1 means n factorial. Remaining you can write as it is. That is 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 etc. 3 into 1 divided by n factorial into n factorial. 1 n factorial and n factorial get cancelled. Now you got the answer. The reason is now here 2 power n is there. You can change the side and you can write it. What's the value? 1 into 3 into 5 etc. 2n minus 3 into 2n minus 1 divided by n factorial. I think this only you need to prove. Check it in your question. This only you need to prove. Yes or no? 2 power n into this one divided by n factorial. Very important 5-mark question, students. Please listen and learn it. Okay. Again I will repeat. So I wrote the given. Next you will compare with x plus a the whole power n. From that I wrote the n value, x value and a value. General term tr plus 1 formula. Tr plus 1 is equal to 2n cr x power 2n minus r 1 by x the whole power r. From that term independent of x. From that n equal to r. Substitute in equation number 1. From that 2n cn. So n cn can be written as n factorial divided by n factorial n factorial. Okay. So from that I have expanded. Next odd and even terms you need to separate. 2 power n is common in even term. So you can take that outside. Remaining can be written as n factorial. Both the terms will get cancelled. You will get the balance. That's the answer. Understand? Very important question. Learn it now itself. Okay. So next problem. This also very important. Among these 2 questions they will repeat any one every time. Okay. So next problem. Problem number 7. Last problem in this unit. Show that the middle term in the expansion of 1 plus x the whole power 2n is 1 into 3 into 5 etc. 2n minus 1 2 power n into x power n divided by n factorial. Show that the middle term of an expansion of 1 plus x the whole power 2n is this one you need to prove. Okay. Solution. Okay. First given 1 plus x the whole power 2n. Compare with x plus a the whole power n. Compare it ma. X is equal to 1, a equal to x, n equal to 2n. Got it? Okay. First you will write the general term as. What's the general term? Is, what's the formula? Tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r. Okay. So Tr plus 1 is equal to, substitute the values here, NCR. So 2n Cr x power, x value is 1, 1 power, n value is 2n minus r, a value is x power r. So that's equal to 2n Cr. 1 power anything also 1, x power r. This is equation number, this is Tr plus 1. Got it? Just I substituted the value 1 power anything also the value is 1. Okay. Now since n is equal to, we need to find the middle term. Yes or no? Not as previous problem. Here we need to find the middle term. First, so we need to find out whether first n and n plus 1 whether you will get 1 middle term or 2 middle term. Okay. So that one you need to find. So that is since n is equal to the value is given as 2n. Whether it is even or odd? Even. Is it right? So even means the middle term must be, the middle term is t n by 2 plus 1, only one middle term. In the place of n, what's there? 2n. So substitute here t 2n by 2 plus 1. So the value will be tn plus 1. Got it? Got it? Okay. So tn plus 1. So we will put r equal to n in this equation. Okay. So put r equal to n in equation 1. Why? Here tn plus 1, here tr plus 1. So in the place of r you can substitute as n. So what's the value you will get? Tn plus 1 is equal to 2n cn x power n. So last problem I taught you, n cn can be written as n factorial divided by n factorial into n factorial x power n. Okay, so if you are learning the previous problem, this question is somewhat easy for you. Up to here I will explain now. First you will compare with x plus a the whole power n. General term, the formula I wrote. I substituted all the value. Then we need to find the middle term. For that n value is 2n. So 2n means it will be always even number. That is n for if you are substituting 1, 2, 3, 4 or 100. Whatever may be, you will get the even number. So there will be only one middle term. So tn by 2 plus 1. So in the place of n I substituted 2n. Is it right? Why? The reason is n value is 2n. From that I got tn plus 1. So in the place of equation number 1, in the place of r I substituted as n. So from that I got as 2n cn x power n. So already you know n cn can be written as n factorial divided by n factorial into x power n. Okay. Now you can do. That is same as previous problem. There is no difference. So same we are going to do. That is 2n cn. Is it right? That is 2n factorial can be written as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 etc. etc. 4, 3, 2, 1. But here one x power n term is there additionally. Okay, that's the only difference. N factorial, n factorial. Next step, what will you do? By separating odd and even, same as previous problem. Separating odd and even. In the numerator, separate it. Tn plus 1 is equal to, what are the even terms? 2n into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 4 etc. 4 into 2. What are the odd terms? 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 etc. 3 into 1. Okay. Divided by n factorial into n factorial. That is equal to, next for even terms you can take the 2 power n outside. So what's the balance? N into, I am moving somewhat faster. The reason is already last problem we have completed. N minus 1 is 2 etc. 2 into 1. This one same. 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 etc. 3 into 1 divided by n factorial into n factorial. So that's equal to 2 power n into, this can be written as n factorial, into the remaining 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 into 2n minus 1 etc. Here we have missed one x power term, n term is there. Okay. 3 into 1 x power n. Don't forget one x power n term is there from the question onwards. That is n factorial n factorial. So these two terms will get cancelled. So what's the balance? 2 power n into, rearrange from there onwards. 1 into 3 into 5 etc. 2n minus 2n minus 1 divided by n factorial into x power n. This only you need to do. Understand? Okay, very easy. So if you are well thorough in the previous problem, this question is very easy for you. So there are only one difference. First we are, here we will take the middle term. That problem you will take the term independent of x. Okay. So don't confuse both. Here one x power n term will come in the numerator. Okay. Understand? I hope you got good idea. So this unit completed. So just I am giving the one words answer alone. Okay. So afterwards I will explain all the one words and all. Now I am just giving the one word's answer alone. Okay. You take down your books and please mark down the one word answer. Already in your book bag the answer is there. Anyhow I will mark and give. So afterwards I will explain the one words also. Understand? So in your book bag some serious problems are there. If you have the time, please work out that also. Please learn all the inside questions, everything. So in the next class we will start the next chapter, analytical geometry. So before that, please students complete all the homeworks and maintain your classes. In one problem itself we not left. So when you are seeing your classwork, each and every problem must be there. So take down all the homeworks as well as classworks to your notes and maintain your classworks neatly. Okay. So all of you take down your books and mark down the one words now. Today I not gave any homework. The reason is you need to complete the classworks field. Okay. Second unit fully you need to complete. The reason is next day I need to start the next chapter. Okay. Okay. Take down your books and mark down the one words. Exercise 2.7. First one. If nC3 equal to nC2, then the value of nC4 is 5. D is the answer, okay? 5. Second one, the value of n when nP2 equal to 20 is, the answer is 5. C part is the answer. Third one, the number of ways selecting 4 players out of 5 is, the answer is D. 5 is the answer. Problem number 4. If NPR is equal to 720, NCR, the R is equal to, C option is the answer, 6. Fifth one, the possible outcomes when a coin is tossed 5 times, the answer is 2 power 5, A part is the answer. Sixth one, the number of diagonals in the polygon of n sides is, C part is the answer, NC2 minus n. Seventh one, the greatest positive integer which divide n into n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 for n belongs to n is 24 is the answer. D part is the answer. 8. If n is a positive integer, then the number of terms in the expansion x plus a the whole power n is n plus 1. This I have taught in one note. N plus 1, B part is the answer. For all n greater than 0, nC1 plus nC2 plus nC3 plus etc. plus ncn is equal to, B part is the answer, 2 power n minus 1. Then problem number 10. The term containing x cube in the expansion of x minus 2y the whole power 7, C part, 5th is the answer. 5th. 11. The middle term in the expansion of x plus 1 by x the whole power 10 is, B part is the answer, 10C5. 12th question. The constant term in the expansion of x plus 2 by x the whole power 6 is, 160 is the answer, D part is the answer, 160. 13. The last term in the expansion of 3 plus root 2 the whole power 8 is, the answer is 16, B part is the answer. Problem number 14. If kx divided by x plus 4 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 4 divided by x plus 4 plus 1 by 2x minus 1, then k is equal to, A is the answer, 9. A part is the answer. Then 15. The number of 3-letter words that can be formed from the letters of the word number when the repetition is allowed are, C part is the answer, 216. 16th question. The number of parallelograms that can be formed from the set of 4 parallel lines intersecting another set of 3 parallel lines is, 18 is the answer, A part. 17. There are 10 true or false questions in examination. Then these questions can be answered in 1024 ways. C part is answer. Then 18. The value of 5C0 plus 5C1 plus 5Z1 plus 5C2. One thing is given, that is A is answer, 26 minus 2. Sorry. The answer is 2 power 6 minus 2. 2 power 6 minus 2. 19. The total number of 9-digit number which have all different digits is 9 into 9 factorial, C is the answer. 20. The number of ways to arrange the letters of the word cheese is 120. Answer A. 21. 13 guests have participated in a dinner. The number of handshakes happened in the dinner is 78. B part is the answer. 22. Number of words with or without meaning that can be formed using the letters of the word equation with no repetition of letters is 8 factorial. Answer C. 23. Sum of binomial coefficient in a particular expansion is 256. The number of terms in the expansion is n equal to 8. A is answer. 24. The number of permutation of n different things taken or at a time when the repetition is allowed is n power r. B is answer. 25. Sum of the binomial coefficients is 2 power n. A is the answer. Okay. These are all the one words. 25 one words are there. Please mark down afterwards. I will explain this. So in our next class, we will start the new chapter, third chapter, analytical geometry. Before that, complete this everything and maintain your classwork neatly. Learn thoroughly. We will meet in the next